If you're a DIY enthusiast, installing a garbage disposal is easier than you think. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure the power supply is off at the breaker box. Safety first. Next, disconnect the drain pipes and remove the old disposal unit if you have one. Now attach the mounting ring to the sink flange. Use plumber's putty around the flange for a leak-proof seal. Tighten the screws until the mounting ring is secure. Time to wire it up. Connect the disposal's wires to your household wires, matching colors, black to black, white to white. Don't forget the ground wire. Once wired, mount the disposal by aligning it with the mounting ring and twisting it into place. Reconnect the drain pipes and dishwasher inlet if you have one. Finally, turn the power back on and test for leaks. Congratulations, you've just installed your garbage disposal like a pro. See you in the next DIY guide.